Hello everyone, in this video of Qbasic series, I am going to show you how to download Qbasic in your laptop or desktop. This method works in all versions of Windows, including Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open browser and open Google search engine. Type download Qbasic for Windows. Open the first result, or you can get the link in the description also. Qbasic download page will open. Scroll down and you will see basic to DOS box and a download button. Click on the download button. Your download will start. After downloading, open download folder. You will see basic to DOS box. Open this folder. Again you will see basic to DOS box, open this folder also, and now you will see a basic to DOS application program. So open this application program and now select extract all. So now you have to choose the location to extract DOS box. So click on the browse and select local disk C, and now click on this extract button. Extraction is completed and extracted folder is opened automatically. Open this basic to DOS box folder. Again you will see a basic to DOS application program. Open this application program also. Here you will see a dialog box. Select the root drive, that is C drive for my PC. Root drive means where your operating system is installed. Most people have C drive. So click in this three dot bottom. It's called a browse button. If you click over here, you will see option. Let's select this local disk C and click OK, and now click next. Your installation is completed, so click yes. Now open your C drive, search for the folder DOSBox 0.4-3. Open this folder. You will see a DOSBox application program. Open this application program. Now you have to mount your C drive. So to mount your C drive, type the following commands and press enter. Since my C drive is already mounted, but in your PC you will see mounting complete successfully or something like that. Now type C colon. Now type cd qb45. You can get the command in the description also. Now type qb and hit enter. Your Qbasic will open. And now to close this dialog box, you have to press escape button. Press Alt plus enter to make it a full screen. Now you can type your Qbasic program here. Now to exit, go to the file and select exit. And here in DOS box also type exit and press enter. That's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Next video we are going to see Qbasic interface. Also connect with us via Telegram, Discord, Facebook or Instagram for more content like note, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.